Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing these cute skull pumpkins. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first off by drawing the smaller pumpkin on the bottom right. Let's start with a small curve across. And then from both sides, let's curve it out and bring it in. Now underneath, let's bring it down and curve it in again. And a curve across to close off the bottom. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw the stem. Let's draw two curves going up. And close it off at the top. Now inside the bottom of the stem, let's draw a curve up in the center. Now that we have the shape of the pumpkin, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two large circles for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now in between, let's draw a triangle for the nose. And color it in black as well. Now underneath for the mouth, let's start with a V shape in the center. And work our way out and up. Now let's curve it down on both ends. And the same zigzag line underneath. And also color the mouth in black. And that's it for the little pumpkin. Now let's move over on the left and let's draw a larger one. Let's start on top on the left and let's draw a curve up and over. And then a curve down and over at the top. And then another larger curve out and down. Now underneath, let's bring it down and over to the right. Then on the right side, next to the small pumpkin, let's draw a small line down and out. And then close off the bottom. Now at the top, let's add the stem. Let's draw two large curves up and over to the right side. And close it off at the top. And then hop inside and let's add a curve up at the bottom. Now let's move in and let's add the face. Let's start with two circles for the eyes. And color them both in black. And then a triangle for the nose in the center. And color the nose in black as well. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth in the same way as the other one. Let's start with a V in the center and a zigzag line out on both sides. Then let's bring it down on both ends and another zigzag line underneath. And also color the mouth in black. And that's it for the pumpkins. Now let's move out and let's draw a few bones. On the bottom corners, let's draw 2 lines going out, and the same on the bottom right. And then add 2 bumps at the ends. Now on top of the left side, let's draw a small line out and add 2 bumps on top. And then for the right side, let's draw 2 small angles up and again close off the end. And that's it for these skull pumpkins. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!